guys, today we are going to do a tutorial on my laptop. So, we are going to be going on to docs. Where is my mouse? I don't have to use my mouse. I got this, but, yeah. But we're going on to docs today. I'm doing a little tutorial on its ingredients, and I will have them on docs. So, wait 1 second, guys. Sorry. Looks like I'm not going to be using my mouse, but that's okay. Yeah, there's a lot of things on my hashtag. I love Play-Doh and slime. Slime has to be my favorite, and yeah, this is a little tour of my favorite Play-Doh. Just out on my bed, I've been playing with it. I love the color. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're on docs. Okay. Alright, so if you don't know what docs is, it's just, things you write. Yeah, you can make project proposal, resume, brochure, letter, and then blanks, and then this is a collage that I made for my mom, and I'm still making it. Oops. It's gonna be, I think it's ready to print. Yeah, I love my mom. It's ready to print. Yeah, I think that size would be good. But I gotta press cans. Okay, and then on to you guys. I got my untitled document. These are my no glue signs. These are my toothpaste signs, and there is a lot of them. I'll read them all to you. For toothpaste slime recipes, first, toothpaste and salt slime. Second, toothpaste and sugar slime. Third, dish soap, toothpaste, and salt slime. Fourth, shampoo, toothpaste, and salt slime. Fifth, hand soap, toothpaste, and sugar slime. Okay, but now we gotta make one. My favorite recipe is Drum roll, please. I'll show you the title in 1, 2, 3. My favorite slime. It's gonna be the recipe, but I didn't put recipe, I just but that's okay, right? Okay, first ingredient in 3, 2, wait, never mind. 3, 2, 1. Toothpaste. There's a hint. Wait 1 second, I'll show you the actual. Okay, now the next ingredient in 3, 2, 1. This is the second. Okay, now the last ingredient. 3, 2, 1. So here's the hint. Corn starch, and then there's going to be the steps to making it. First step, 3, 2, 1. So first step, put toothpaste in water bottle and or a sippy cup or cup with lid. Okay. Now, in 3, 2, 1, and not in 3, 2, 1. I'm joking. We will be on the second step in 3, 2, 1. Second step, put some water or a lot of water based on how big your slime is. If it's a small slime, don't put as much water. Third step is pause video to read.